Okay, so today I picked up the Google Pixel 8, the 128 gigabyte Rose model, similar to the Pixel 7 of last year inside the box, along with the Pixel 8 in this absolutely stunning rose color. You'll get a few accessories like a USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick switch adapter, some documentation, and a SIM tool. I wish the Pixel 8 Pro actually came in this rose color. It looks really, really good. As per usual, the Pixel has the camera visor, which is in a gorgeous rose gold. While I'm not a fan of the visor look, the color here makes up for it. I have to say the Pixel 8 is a great size, feels excellent in the hand, especially compared to the larger Pixel 8 Pro, but nonetheless, let's quickly boot this Pixel 8 up and get it all set up. We have the same fingerprint scanner here that we had on the 7, so if you didn't like that, you're not going to be a fan of it here on the 8, but there is face unlock if you want to use that instead. And like many Pixels, the setup was a breeze, and here we have it, the Pixel 8 booted up, ready to go. Swipe away some of those initial notifications, and I can't wait to dive in. Compared to the 8 Pro, which Pixel 8 series device do you prefer? Which did you pick up by chance? What are some things you want me to cover in my review of each of these Pixels? Let me know in the comments down below. I look forward to reviewing the Pixel 8. I'm absolutely loving the rose color here and the feel in hand so far. As always though, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.